there was a transition time between starting my company and coming from hospital administration. And I had gone to probably a dozen design to part shows representing my dad's screw machine company. And at that time he only had screw machines. Since then he's bought Hydromats, and he has a Index C100 and MS32 now. But what was very obvious after covering the country in these design to part shows was just that the opportunities for Swiss work and traditional Swiss work and screw machine work was very, very competitive. And a lot of the big houses were already established for it. And that's one man's experience. It doesn't mean that was my observation. And I don't know if the approach we took was right. It's just the approach I decided to take. So I thought getting some machines that would allow us to do complex work, single op, was where I was seeing at the time, a specific amount, just a year's time. But when I was at the design to part shows, I was seeing a lot of that kind of work being shopped out, work that was either going to need 2 or 3 machines to make it, or one very sophisticated machine. And I thought that getting into that industry, or that I guess arena, was where I was seeing the opportunity. And so that's where I decided to jump into. Like I said, I don't know as though I would recommend that to somebody else, but it's, so far it's worked for us.